Welcome back to my channel, where I recreate step-by-step looks from makeup artists. For today's look, I'm recreating a look from Katie McKellis 46. I'll post the link to her Instagram in the description below. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina Pro Pigment palette. What do you guys think about the new Norvina Volume 2 palette? I personally cannot wait to get my hands on it. Don't get me started on those blues and teal shades. They're to die for. Like always, I start by priming my eyes using my Tarte Shape Tape, packing it on all my eye using an M224 brush. Using an M441 brush with the shade A5, I start blending it on my outer V and on my crease. Doing circular motions with my brush helps blend the shade nicely. Once I have blended all the shade from my brush on my crease and outer V, I start blending up towards my brow bone so I can have that faded blend to finish, also doing circular motions. Using an M406 brush, I pick up the shade B4 and I keep this color on my outer V, just underneath my crease. I slowly build this shade up. It's always better to start slow with darker colors to keep control of the blending. Once I'm done blending my outer crease, I start working the shade in towards my crease. Moving my brush from the outer V to my crease help me keep control of the blending. Tip: if you need to grab more color, always start your brush in towards your V and blend in towards the crease so you will not end up with any harsh lines. With a clean M406 brush, I pick up the shade A2, blending it between both my colors to have that smooth blend and get rid of any harsh lines from one end to the other of my eye. Grabbing the same M441 brush as before, I pick up just a small amount of A5 to go over my brow bone again to clean it up. Using an M224 brush, I dab concealer, looking straight ahead to find my crease. Then, following the line, I cut my crease. You only need a small amount of concealer, or else it will transfer all over your lid and make it hard to blend. Make sure to blend the edges of the cut crease. That way, the color will blend better and avoid harsh lines. I pick up the shade C1 with an M124 brush. I pack it on my inner V, towards the center of my lid, blending it on the end. I just can't get over this white. I had to use it again. It's so pigmented, definitely going to be my go-to white shade. I usually do this before I pack on my crease shades, but I somehow forgot to do it first. But it's okay, I just grabbed the same M406 brush with the shade B4, going over the concealer just a bit to blend it together with my crease. Using the same M406 brush with some A5, I focus my brush on the center of my lid. Once the brush has little to no shade on it, I blend it on both sides, focusing more to blend with the white, since we are using another shade on the other side. Now, using the same brush with A2, I blend it next to the previous shade to make both shades blend better together. Now I apply glitter. I use a J-Cat sparkling powder in Lion Silver. Using a dollar store brush, I dip it in glitter glue, then in the glitter. I make a line right at the start of my eye, following my cut crease line to the end of it. I personally love looks with glitter. I feel it gives any look a touch of glam to it. Even if you use the smallest amount, it makes your eyes really pop. Once I apply the glitter, I'm done with the shadow, so I'll be back with my lashes and liner. So here's a look with lashes and my brows done. Let me know what you think. Comment if you want me to recreate a look so you can learn how to do it, and I'll try my best to make it happen. If you like my video, please click the thumbs up. I also have an Instagram account and a Twitter account. I will share the link in the description below. See you next time.